To use voice changer on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you have to start by opening a Galaxy store, which is actually located somewhere here, but I cannot find it right now. Never mind, maybe I'm just gonna go from my screen. Here we are, the loading screen. Go for applications, click on the right upper corner, go into the Good Lock application. You have to search for this one. You will have to download this and open on your Samsung. Now wait for a loading screen, and right now you have to download the Sound Assistant plugin. When you open this one for the first time, you have to accept all of those incoming permissions. And now when we start scrolling, we can find here a lot of options, but one of it is actually that voice changer that will apply fun effects to our microphone. So now we have to grant permission into our microphone, and we can check for the different sounds.
This is a sound test. This is a sound test.
This is a sound test.
This is a sound test.
So if you want to get, for example, this one, you have to set this, and now you can just simply start recording some screen records or screen notes, and it will be applied. Remember that it is not working for phone calls.